Fun fact, you don't need to hire a real estate broker to sell your home. It's common practice to hire the broker to list your property to sell, hopefully for top dollar, but you don't have to. Hi, I'm Rebecca Larson, the principal attorney at Your Home Legal. We work with sellers throughout the state of California who don't want to hire a broker to sell their home. We work with you to make sure that you prepare the contract correctly, all your disclosures are made, and that you know what you're doing. You don't have to do it yourself. It might be tempting to do it yourself in order to save the commission, but in order to make sure that you, the seller, have done your job, you need to know when you have to disclose, what you have to disclose, and how much you have to disclose. These are some of the things that we can help you with during your process. When hiring a real estate attorney instead of a broker, this will help you avoid a dual agency situation. And this is where one party represents both the buyer and the seller. As the seller, you want to make sure that your interests are being protected, and that means having your own representation. So to recap, if you're a seller, you don't have to hire a real estate broker, but it doesn't mean you should do it yourself. Instead, hire a real estate attorney, that's me, to make sure that your interests are protected throughout the entire process. Give us a call.